everyone, I'm Susanna from Halal Travel, and as part of Hong Kong Tourism Board's Cha Chaan Teng challenge, I'll be recreating another iconic Cha Chaan Teng dish, which is macaroni with chicken ham. This is also another quite simple recipe, so after watching this video, why not try it out and join in the challenge? Let's start! So for the first step, I'll be frying the chicken ham. So I'll start by adding in a little bit of oil, and now I'm going to stir fry the chicken slice until it's brown and crispy. Looks like the chicken ham is ready. Now I'm going to remove and set it aside on this plate. So for the second step, I'm going to stir fry the onion, garlic and ginger in the same pot until it's super fragrant and the onions are translucent. For the next step, I'm going to add in the diced carrots and the 1 liter of chicken stock and wait for it to come to a boil. Looks like the soup's almost ready, so I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. We're almost done with this part. Now I'm going to add in the macaroni and cook it until it's al dente for about 5 minutes. So we're almost done with making the macaroni soup. Then I'm going to add in the frozen peas, and then we'll just wait for this to come to a boil and we're almost done. Now I'm going to pour the macaroni into a bowl with the soup and the peas. So now I'm just going to top it up with the egg that I fried just now and the chicken ham, which I did right at the start. And for the last step, I'm going to add a drizzle of light soy sauce and sesame oil. So if a noob cook like me can make this dish, and it wasn't so hard, actually it's quite easy. So why don't you join in the Cha Chaan Teng challenge and make your own version of this macaroni soup with chicken ham dish? So just upload your wonderful photos on Instagram and stand a chance to win Grab gift vouchers or even a return trip to Hong Kong. Time for me to go. I'm going to finish the rest of my macaroni soup.